Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 11.3 question number 4. Give expressions for the following cases. 7 added to P. Right, you have to give the expression. That is question number A. Question number A is 7 added to P. That is P plus 7. P plus 7. Right. This is for A. Question number B is 7 subtracted from P. That is P minus 7, right? Now question number C is P multiplied by 7, right? That is 7P. And question number D is P divided by 7, that is P divided by 7. Question number E, you see, question number E is 7 subtracted from minus m minus 7, right? F is minus P multiplied by 5, that is minus 5P. Minus P is multiplied by 5. Now question number G is minus P is divided by 5. Minus P is divided by 5. H is question number H, P multiplied by minus 5, that is minus 5P, right? This is the solution of question number 4.